Lake Nona Improvement District is a prestigious thoroughfare traveled by nearly 7 million residents and guests annually. Lake Nona is home to training facilities for large corporations such as KPMG and USTA. It has been in the national spotlight for the LPGA Hilton Grand Vacation Tournament of Champions. Tavistock District Association partnered with BrightView in October of 2022 to revitalize Lake Nona Improvement Districts. Utilizing our local certified arborist, pest control operator, and designers, BrightView worked extensively with Tavistock to create a turf, shrub, and palm tree program to bring their vision to life.